The Kitco news team is back on home turf in Montreal at the Cambridge House Show, and we caught up with David Coffin, the editor of Hard Rock Analyst, asking him whether investors should be looking at gold or silver these days.
In terms of buying the metal purely, I would say an expectation of higher gains in silver is quite realistic. On the other hand, when things consolidate, when there's a pullback, silver's as likely as not will come down harder as well. So we would expect the gold to be more of the stable buy, the silver to be a little more speculative. The one problem with gauging silver from our perspective as supply-based fundamentalists is it's a byproduct. As the supply of copper increases in a few years, the supply of zinc decreases in a few years, that's going to impact the amount of silver available. Right now, we are expecting future shortages in base metals, at which point the silver supply may well go into shortfall as well, and we'll understand those fundamentals a bit better. There is, without question, a serious current impact from the falling U.S. dollar. We expect the U.S. dollar to continue weakening, and because of that we expect metals in general, gold in particular, and silver more so, to continue rising. We're bullish on the precious metals in general. We're bullish on copper. We think that there's a near-term supply shortfall coming. The other base metals we're less bullish on from a fundamental perspective, although they may well, and we do expect them to see some gains against just simply against the U.S. dollar.
Stay tuned to Kitco.com for all your latest precious metals information. For Kitco News, I'm Daniela Cambone, Montreal.